the ordinary. When combined with the unexpected, it brings new perspectives. And creates the original. Breaking the boundaries. We push beyond. We dare.
Kia, movement that inspires.
Please welcome Vice President, Sales Operations, Kia America, Eric Watson.
Welcome, and thank you for joining us. At Kia, building award-winning ICE and electrified vehicles that far exceed the expectations is at the foundation of everything we do. We're excited to be here today for a global debut in one of our most important segments and to talk about Kia's incredible momentum. 2023 was the biggest year yet for Kia, with growth across our entire lineup. With the EV9 in the showroom, Kia now has one of the broadest selections of ICE, hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and electric SUVs in the business. All of our rugged and capable SUVs have been significantly redesigned or all new in the last 2 years. At the same time, we remain committed to customers looking for sporty sedans and innovative EVs. And this strategy is clearly paying off. In a few days, we will deliver the best March sales performance in Kia's history. Our electrified vehicle sales are up 12% in the first quarter, and we continue to surpass expectations with ICE products like Forte and Carnival, which are all ahead of last year's record-setting Q1 performance. But importantly, it's not just about sales. It's about changing the way people think about Kia. It began with Telluride, which marked a critical shift in Kia's brand perception and created unprecedented demand. In fact, last year, we saw the highest ever transaction prices in company history and achieved this with very little incentive spend. Residual values also hit historic highs, and our vehicles are among the fastest turning in the entire industry. Simply put, customers are truly excited about our products, and we're ready to give them more of everything they love about Kia. We kicked off this year with a look at our future at CES in Las Vegas, talking about bidirectional charging and reimagining commercial vehicles with our upcoming platform beyond vehicles. EV9 played a big role there, and we're proud to celebrate that our 3-row flagship EV has just won the 2024 World Car of the Year and World Electric Car of the Year awards. So, what a fantastic moment for us as a brand. Thank you very much. Now, EV9 joins Telluride as the second Kia model to win both North American Utility of the Year and World Car of the Year. And last night, EV9 claimed Newsweek's Auto Disruptor of the Year award for our R&D Team of the Year. So congratulations to them. This year in Chicago, we showed how we're continuing to meet the needs of today's customers with exceptional ICE and hybrid vehicles. We debuted the new Carnival MPV, loaded with more of everything our customers are looking for, including its first ever turbo hybrid powertrain. We also introduced the new K5, demonstrating our commitment to build compelling sedans with more athletic styling, performance, and advanced technologies. That brings us to this moment, and yet another beautifully designed Kia sedan. While others continue to retreat from the ICE compact sedan segment, Our entry was Kia's second best-selling model last year, and its market share has more than doubled since 2018. Succeeding in the compact segment means over-delivering on the essentials and then some. Today, we're lifting the compact sedan experience far beyond what customers expect, with a larger vehicle offering elevated levels of refinement, performance, and advanced technology. And we have Newsweek's Auto Disruptor Designer of the Year, Kareem Habib, here to share it with you. And now, making its global debut with a brand new name, the all-new Kia K4.
Please welcome Executive Vice President and Head of Kia Global Design, Kareem Habib.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm excited to be here to share with you our vision for compact sedans. The all-new K4 combines elegance and athleticism. It's inspired by our design philosophy, Opposites United. It's both rational and emotional, as well as practical and dynamic. The K4 offers a premium and rewarding experience, fusing usability, design, and tech into a single comprehensive package. Looking at the side of the vehicle, the K4 has a sleek, elegant silhouette with a distinctively cut C-pillar. The clean body side is defined by a low horizontal crease that lowers the visual weight, and it is paired with the precise edges that frame the front and rear fenders, giving the car an overall technical impression. Also, high-gloss black trim expresses a premium image and a strong image, while the side garnish emphasizes its sporty character. Opposites United is evident here, bringing together the contrast of smooth elegance and precise technology in the surface language, lamp graphics, and wheel design. Moving around to the front of the K4, the Tiger mask is immediately recognizable. In combination with the low vertical headlamps, it gives the front of the vehicle a confident and technical impression. Both the geometric lower pocket in the bumper and the lamp outline emphasize the width of the vehicle, and so do the rear lamps and horizontal design. The rear is defined by the wide lamp graphics and diffuser, expressing the vehicle's dynamic capabilities. Inside the K4, the width of the interior is emphasized by the expansive IP, and it is accented by a wide center screen extending from the driver to the passenger. Also, the three-spoke steering wheel and seat design give the interior a unique and driver-centric expression and further alludes to K4's impression of power and performance. Here, in the GT line trim, with the application of high-gloss black on the technical exterior trim pieces, along with the single-tone interior with off-white accents and unique garnish pattern, the sporty and premium character of the vehicle is clearly evident. The all-new K4 is a testament to the future of the sedan. and a symbol of our belief that elegance and sportiness remain highly relevant. And now, I'm excited to give you a look at what's coming next, a 5-door hatch version, a practical vehicle that is aimed at a dynamic and urban lifestyle. The 5-door shares the same front and rear design, as well as the smooth elegance of the sedan. Ladies and gentlemen, with the brand new K4 sedan and the K4 5-door hatch, we have brought you two products that we believe are highly practical, desirable, and offer fresh new ideas. Thank you.
Please welcome Vice President of Marketing, Kia America, Russell Wager.
Congratulations, Kareem, to you and your design team for another incredible addition to the Kia lineup. What you'll find inside and under the skin of the all-new K4 is as exciting and unexpected as the vehicle's stunning appearance. K4 brings advanced levels of technology to the compact sedan segment. The available multi-segment cockpit display provides nearly 30 inches of digital instrumentation combined, a first in the segment. The technology behind it is Kia's new connected car navigation cockpit, which first debuted in EV9. The system processes faster than any previously offered on a Kia vehicle and enables standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto across all trims. The technology also prioritizes your needs, making frequently used quick controls available with a simple swipe of the screen. Or an even easier way to access vehicle functions is by interacting with Kia Connect's available voice assistant. Just say, "Hey Kia," to gain voice control access to functions such as climate control and audio. We're also working to enhance the Kia Assistant's functionality with the power of generative AI to be able to provide information on many topics, such as stocks, sports scores, owner's manual content, and much more. The Kia Assistant is designed to listen to follow-up questions and interact with the driver in a more conversational way. The K4 is also equipped with over-the-air update capabilities, allowing owners to download available digital features and services. On that note, we're excited to announce that as an expansion of Kia's partnership with the NBA, owners of K4 models and all other Kia vehicles capable of over-the-air updates will have access to team-inspired display screens. Through Kia Connect, owners will be able to download their favorite team's color theme and put their die-hard loyalty on display. Whether they're a fan of the Golden State Warriors, the LA Clippers, the hometown Knicks, or any of the 30 NBA teams, K4 also gets other popular Kia convenience technologies, such as available digital key 2.0 with ultrawideband, available Harman Kardon premium audio, 4 standard USB ports, available heated and ventilated seats, and available seat and mirror setting memory on the driver's side. Another aspect of the K4 that we've elevated to new levels is performance and handling. K4 will offer 2 powertrain choices. The standard 2-liter engine delivers 147 horsepower, and it's matched with a new intelligently variable transmission that delivers a crisp, natural shifting feel. Our GT line turbo model upgrades to a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine that sends 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Steering wheel mounted paddle shifters and sport pedals complete the sportier package. GT Line and GT Line Turbo models are also equipped with responsive sport tune steering and an exclusive multi-link rear suspension for crisp, confident handling. At Kia, we believe advanced driver assistance systems should be more attainable, which is why we're equipped K4 with the next level ADAS and driving convenience features. That includes 11 standard ADAS features, plus up to 29 available technologies, such as standard forward collision avoidance assist that can recognize vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists, even in intersections, and available emergency evasive steering assist. Also included are customer favorite features such as an available blind spot view monitor and an available 360-degree surround view monitor for effortless parking and maneuvering in tight situations. Elevated design, elevated technology, elevated driving dynamics, all in a compact sedan, like nothing else on the market. K4 is expected to arrive in Kia dealerships in the fourth quarter of this year with 5 trim levels to suit a wide range of customer needs. 2 more very quick things before you go. First, we are pleased to announce that the all-electric Kia EV9 is expected to begin assembly in the US at our West Point, Georgia plant this May. And it's further evidence of our commitment to beautifully designed, sporty, gas-powered sedans. We're going to bring out the new K5 that begins arriving in dealerships next month here onto the stage. So please give us a moment before you come up. I'd like to invite Eric and Kareem and our President and CEO of Kia North America and Kia America, Sean Yoon, up for a quick picture. Thank you, and have a wonderful day at the show.